Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 Pro and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now on the second position we've got the system update, and actually before we will enter it, I forgot to mention it at the very beginning of the video. Make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, but it's up to you. So as I said, let's enter system update, and right here all we have to do is to tap on online update. As you can see, your device will check for the updates. You can tap on this button to ensure yourself. After checking, you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one, where your device is showing you the information that you're up to date and there's nothing to download, so that's okay. And the second scenario is where your device will show you the new update. It will show you the name of it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install or something like that, and your device will of course apply it to the system. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.